So guys, I did my best. So I didn't eat for the whole day, which I usually do.
Ate apple.
You ate apple. I had some coffee with a little bit of sugar. And that was it for the whole day. We were working this morning, and I saved up a lot of space for my stomach for today's challenge, which is unlimited ribs here in Gasworks, Myanmar. We asked permission from the owner, or the manager perhaps, and he agreed. Actually, we are claiming one voucher, which is 2 for 1 on the chicken wings. It's this one. Chicken wings, or I hope that guy comes back. He's the one whom I asked to have this one officially counted. It doesn't look like much. I'm not even sure if it's gonna reach 20. How much do you think is it? How much do you think is it gonna be? How much do you think it isn't
23.
Pananon mo pila siya. So who will officially count this number? You guys can do, or
Someone needs to be done.
oh, okay. I won't touch it. Far for For 20 bucks, I think this is one of the most
Worth it.
one of the most bang for your buck dinner place, food place that you can find in Bali, especially for Filipinos like us. We're open to eat heaps. Okay. Alright, we'll count
I'll hold
it.
it for you.
It's okay. Let's count the ribs. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4,
75 years later.
17, 18, 19, barely,
Ala! Sakto ko!
20, I don't know, 21, 22. I don't know how they count. How they count this.
That should be counted as one.
At least 22.
23.
These ones. 22.
You're not even halfway.
22. 22. I'm at least nearly halfway. Say, per se.
Review siguro sa pangurot.
So, would you be able to imagine how big would a pile of 50 ribs be? But it's 22. So, they did a good thing. They just asked me to count first, so that they won't be hassled. Because anyway, it didn't reach 50. They wouldn't be hassled.
Sorry.
So yeah, I did my best, and I think that's it for the day. But anyway, you guys can always come to Gasworks, Miramar Gasworks.
They actually offer
They're really
a few, how do you say it?
Promo. I think they have a promo every night, like a gimmick every night.
Different every day.
Yeah, different one every day. Wednesday is one of our favorite because
You can actually show them after. Maybe take a picture.
yeah, I've already taken a picture. They can see it. So much for the day.
Blue
Didn't-
cheese chicken,
Didn't regret that.
chipotle chicken.
We're gonna have one piece. What's up? Thank you, Clarice.
Thank you so much.
No worries, guys. All of us.
Yeah.
Brian,
See you, Brian.
yeah.